Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to anonymize faces in the videos. Now anonymization is a super useful use case in case you want to not show certain faces and not blur them either. So in this video you can see we have a person here and we just change the face of the person without blurring the video and without changing anything else. So how do you do this? I'm going to go ahead and click on upload video here and I'm on bgblur.com. I'm going to select a new video. And you know what, you need to click on try face anon here. So we'll click here, which will take you to anonymization face a page, and then click on the upload video here. Now we need to find the video we want to anonymize face in. So I use this one and you don't need to do anything else. It requires you to use 20 credits and I'm going to click on start face anonymization. Now what this will do is this will automatically find the faces in the video and anonymize them to make sure that they are not the same people by the time video is done. Now if you've been watching previous videos, you know each second of video is 25 fps and each 25 fps meaning each second of video has 25 images. Now because it has 25 images, you need to take each video and then anonymize faces in each of those videos, which means it takes a lot of computing power. So while we give you 35 to 40 credits when you sign up on the platform, it's not possible for us to give this free forever because we'll burn out of cash and we'll run out of money and we'll have to shut it down anyways. So we give free credits to the best extent we can, and then if you want to process more, you can always buy credits in order to do this. Still 5 to 15 or to 20 times more cheaper than hiring a video editor to do this, because firstly, these sort of anonymization jobs they are not going to be able to do, but if they do end up doing, it's going to cost you a lot more money than this. So our goal is not to compare with video editing, but we also give you more convenience with respect to not getting an expensive editing software and essentially doing it in the UI itself. And you can see this is ready. The original video had my face. This video anonymized it, so you can't really make out who this person was because we changed the face in the video. And this is gender specific, so it's not going to add like a female face to a male or male face to a female. So cool. You can download it from here. You can process another video if you want, but this is how you use the face anonymization feature. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.